This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Connie Kim. Beautiful 3-bed/2-bath third floor condominium located in the highly desirable gated Crestview community. Ready to move in, the home is well maintained. Featuring an open floor plan with an abundance of natural light and new interior paint. All are equipped with plenty of counter space. Brand new washer and dryer included. You'll find ceramic flooring throughout with laminate flooring in the master bedroom. All bedrooms include spacious walk-in closets for convenient storage space. Enjoy Florida's fresh air on your own private screened patio overlooking the peaceful pond. Great location, hidden behind Turkey Lake Park, it is only minutes away from outlet shopping, Millenia Mall, Valencia College, UCF, Universal, Disney, Restaurant Row, and so much more. Water and garbage included. No pets, no smoking. For more information, review the details below.